in the first month of a brand new year, January 2013, a season of changes, a season of new California laws, new changes in immigration, which we discussed earlier. It is also the Balikbayan season. A lot of our kababayans go to the Philippines in this first quarter because of a lot of fiestas, but we have some representatives from the Philippine Department of Tourism in LA to invite us about one particular tour that's happening in the middle of the year. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA, Annie and Manny. Kamusta po?
Hello.
Mabuti naman. Hi, Janelle. It's
Yeah.
very nice to see you again. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's time to talk about the Ambassadors Tour once again. Tell us about this for people that are not yet familiar.
Yes, well, the Department of Foreign Affairs and the Department of Tourism has put up together this very, very special tour for our kababayans and our friends as well. This is the 8th year, so you should say it's been very successful.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. And actually, we have made the tour better and better every year. It's participated by 500 of people from all over the United States and Canada.
And we call it Ambassadors Tour because this is parang headed by...
All the ambassadors in the United States,
Oo.
including Canada, and the tourism directors of the United States.
And
too.
I remember joining this when it was what, your second year, third year?
Third.
Napakasaya because there's so many, the itinerary is really wonderful. And one thing I like about this is it takes you to Malacañang Palace, and then it gives you an opportunity to take a picture or talk to the president. Ganun pa rin ba, Miss Annie? What kind of itinerary are we looking at for this year?
Yes, actually, part of the tour, the highlight of the tour is the visit to Malacañang with the audience and photo opportunity with the president and the luncheon sa Kalayaan Hall. They also have a tour of the Malacañang Museum. So that's the highlight. And all the others, we try to put in other interesting tours or different tours for them.
And there are also optional tours because then you give them a choice whether they want to go to. Last time I remember I went to Bataan to visit
Yeah.
Corregidor.
We do also offer the optional tours, the out-of-town tours going to the popular destination like Camarines Sur, Dalawag, Bigan, Boracay. And this is going to be the best of the best because we've been doing this for, like Miss Annie said, 8 years. We have the phenomenal experience in doing this already. And this is a guided tour, you know, and it's very educational for everyone.
You know, we've always been saying it's more fun in the Philippines, and it's actually more fun as well, more than that, when you have these people, our ambassadors as the tour guides, diba? Because you know the best. And alam nyo po, VIP treatment.
Exactly.
Kasi maski yung tour bus, when you go through EDSA or Intramuros, ganyan, may convoy na mga cops. So may escort, no?
Yes,
May
yes,
escort.
that's true.
So basically, they learn about the history of the Philippines.
Yes.
They
Yes.
discover the beauty of the Philippines. They meet people. Oo,
Yes.
diba?
Yes.
Okay, so let's take a look at the dates now. When is this going to be held this year?
The basic tour is July 9 to 12, which means departure is July 7 from the West Coast.
Oh, okay. How early should they be booking?
Actually, we will be ready to accept registration in 2 weeks, and the deadline for reservation is May 31.
So very important. Dates to remember, July 9 to 12.
Yes.
And then after
the
that, you have an
basic tour.
option to stay, whether you go to Bohol, Boracay, Camarines Sur. So make sure, ayusin nyo na yung mga leave nyo sa office.
Yes,
diba?
yes. Please
Ayan.
save the date.
Yes, save the date and call the number now if you want more information because they're going to give you the rates as well. If you can put up the slide again. We have 2 phone numbers there. Let's give them time to list down the numbers, please. So, yan po ang office ng Philippine Department of Tourism in Los Angeles. And of course, the tour dates again, July 9 to 12. To 12. It says 50. We're going to change that. All right. Thank you so much and more power to you.
Thank you, Janelle.
Thank you, Janelle. Yeah.
We will be back more in Kababayan LA on the Red Carpet segment. Don't go away.